Hello everyone, how are you all? I really hope you all are doing great with your family. If you are new here, my name is Monalisha. I am a mother to a 2.5-year-old toddler son. His name is Adu. I make videos on lifestyle, motherhood, toddlers routine, kids food and many more. I try to post my videos weekly if possible. Today's video was made a few days back, but because I was not getting enough time for editing and shooting, I could not post it, so I am uploading it now. So this is the first time I am uploading a video on toddlers clothing haul. I shopped few things for my little one, so thought of sharing with you guys what I have shopped. I mostly prefer online shopping because as a mother it's really difficult for me to go in any store with my son along with me. So now let's start with the clothes. So first thing I got for my little one is this cute little shorts in grey color. This is from the brand Carter's. I am a huge fan of Carter's. It's a little expensive than other brands, but the quality and the material of the cloth is very good than any other brands. Carter is an American company, but it's also available now in India. Whenever there is a discount, I quickly grab them. This one I got for rupees 500. Originally it was rupees 799. I got this from firstcry.com. I hardly find anything cute in shorts, but my little one is really looking very cute. Second thing I got for my little one is these two cute t-shirts, one in grey color and the other one in red. These two t-shirts are from the brand UCB. I got them on a discount from Amazon. The price for this grey one is rupees 260. Originally it was rupees 599, and this red one I got at rupees 299, which was originally 599. I paired them with jeans or the shorts I got from firstcry.com. These two t-shirts are very comfy, pure cotton and very light for summer wear, which I love the most. Adu looks very plumpy with the red t-shirt on. The red color of the t-shirt actually fell on him, that makes him so cute and adorable. Now moving to my next cloth is these two t-shirts again. I got them with an aim for daily wear because these are bright in color, their fabric is cotton, they are soft, so daily wash will not harm the fabric. These two are from the brand Max and I got them from Amazon. This light grey t-shirt with beautiful pineapple print, I got this for rupees 139, and this yellow t-shirt I got for rupees 159. Sorry, I forgot the original price for each. Now this maroon pants is from Myntra.com. This is really the most soft and comfiest pants ever I have purchased for my little one. Actually I bought this before this lockdown. It's really a very nice corduroy pants with fake two front pockets and two real back pockets. This is from the brand H&M. I got this for rupees 799. It's a little bigger in size, so I rolled down the bottom and it has two adjustable band which can be adjusted according to your child's waist. How adorable he is looking in this comfy pants paired with the grey t-shirt. This pant goes very well with any light colored t-shirt. It has a button in the front with no zipper. I love the color and the fabric of the pant. It's cotton and elastane material. Now moving to another cloth, and this one is my favorite of all. It's actually a night PJ and it is personalized with Ado's name on it. It's a little expensive. I got it from littlewest.com at rupees 1600. Littlewest.com always maintain their quality, which is very comfy, soft and pure cotton. My little one loved it. It has a very nice cloud print with an elephant sitting over there fishing. It came with a very nice packaging with one greeting card inside it, which I love the most. I loved it. My little one looks so adorable in it. It's a little bigger in size but no comparison with its fabric. Last one is this beautiful Indian attire from Fab India. This yellow kurta made a splendid look to my little one. I got this during this Janmashtami time and I got this for rupees 690. The arms can be folded because here one button is given. It has a little pocket in the front that makes this kurta more elegant and beautiful. So guys, that's all for today. I really hope you all liked today's video. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such kind of videos. See you in my next vlog. Till then, take care, stay at home and stay safe.